My name is Nadine. I'm from Rondebosch and I'm 25 years old. What I needed was help with finance to repair my wheelchair because I use it on a daily basis as well as for work. And how it has impacted my life is it has made things easier, and also now we can focus on getting the work done and not so much focus on where are we going to get money to fix the wheelchairs. So yeah, it has helped a lot. Firstly, I would say thank you very much for everyone who has contributed and helped towards my need and towards everyone else's needs that they have contributed to. And secondly, just to encourage them to continue supporting people out there, because it might be a small amount or even a big amount, but it changes people's lives in a huge way, more than you could realize.